KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning to draw a Hello Kitty Mermaid. Let's draw and color with me. Let's draw by drawing. First I am drawing its face and its bow. Let's draw its waves. Let's draw its tail. Let's draw the waves and its mustache. Now I am going to color it. Let's color with me.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Yellow color, I am coloring its nose and in blue. Light pink color, let's draw its body. Orange color, now I am coloring in tail.
Subscribe us for more videos.